Okay, let me take another one slide for new things. Now you can see I took a blank slide, right? So when I want to write something in my blank slide, I cannot able to write it because of why it's not a word, it's a PowerPoint, right? So if I want to write anything, I need to take a text box. So you can see there is a text box option. Let me take a text box. Let me write it. So you can see I am taking one text box. So when I am taking a text box, I can able to write inside of that. Like see, hi, hello, like that. Okay, so we need to take a text box again and again. Right now even again I want to take something, I want to write something. I need to go to the insert, and there is again a text box. Let me create one another text box, and this is a text box. See, blah 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 blah, I can write it. So this is the way I can write anything inside of that. Okay. Now, if you don't want to text box, there is another option that's called a word art. Word art means already the design is existed for our word. Let me take any kind of the word. Let me take it. You can see it's visible, and then I can write anything. Suppose Rohit, I want to write. You can see it's written, and it's already having a colors, shadow, and everything. Even I can give my one also using my home tab. See, but it's already having the shadow and the border, so you do not need to take again and again. So let's go to the insert again back. Now suppose I want to create a header and footer. I can create that, but the only a thing is when I am going to create a header and footer, let me click it on header and footer. Always there is only the one way. You can see into a down there is a three box, one, two, three. So when I am clicking on date and time, the left hand side box will be a fill. Okay, and when I am clicking on the slide number, your right side box will be a fill. Let me click it. You can see the right side of box will be a field. Okay, and whatever I want to write using by my own word, there is a last option called a footer. When I am clicking on footer, you can see the middle part will be a full. Okay, fill. You can see when I am uncheck that footer, the footer part will be a remove. When I am adding footer part, it will be footer part is there. When I am uncheck a slide number, you can see this slide number will be a remove. So what exactly the meaning of this? Date time will always showing in your left hand side into the bottom. When you are clicking on footer part, you can add your own text. Like suppose I want to write Professor Rohit, okay, Kadam. So this text will be a visible into the middle of footer. Okay, over here, see my arrow. And when I am saying a slide number, when I'm clicking on slide number, this is a your right hand side. So each slide have their the own slide number one, two, three. So it will be appear. So do not forget when we are adding header and footer, only we have the footer part. We don't have the header part. Okay, this is a not similar like a word having the header footer, but the when we are working on a PowerPoint presentation, we do not have the header part. We have only the footer part. Let me say apply for all. When I am saying apply means it will be apply for only one slide. When I am saying apply for all means it will be apply for my all slides. Let me go to the apply for all. So you can see in the bottom I have the date, I have the whatever I written inside of that, and the page number. Let me show you one by one slide. See the down of bottom, right? Now suppose I want to remove. How we can remove that? Again, go to the header and footer section. Just uncheck this flux, okay, and just say apply to all. So all whatever the footer I added, it will gone, right? Now, again, date and time. If suppose I want to write any date and time, I can write that. When I've been clicking a date, it will be a applying date. You can see it's a similar option. Just click over here and date will be applying for into the left hand side. So similar when I'm using header, it's like a similar part, okay, not different. Now, even if I want to add a slide number, you can see it will be fill over here. It's a similar, not a different, okay. Uh, Again, let's go. If suppose I want to take any kind of object, I can take that. Let me create another one slide, going to the new and blank slide I took. Okay. So let me go to over here, object. Okay. And I want to open any kind of files. I'm taking a file, browser. Let me go to the download section. I think so. Okay. See, I have this a document. Okay. I'm just inserting done and just say okay. It's take a time to reload. See, whatever content inside of that, it will be visible in my PowerPoint. You can see how I'm just inserting one kind of object using by because that one in my file. I'm saying a browser. Okay, going to download again. This is one kind of my browser file, and after that I'm saying just okay. And after that, if suppose I want in a icon format, I can present that. And if suppose I want a directly print out over here, I can also do that. So I show a previously like a printing style. Now I want to show if suppose I'm taking any document, how I can open that. So choose your is a display icon. You can see your icon use like this and just say okay. It's over here. Now, what exactly happened when I am clicking over here, the document will be open. Let me show you. I am over here right now and let me open it. I'm double clicking. See, my daily news document will be open. So this is the way we can create a objects. Okay. Now, the if I want to use a equation, I'm going to the equation section. Go to the equation section. Okay, the equation section will be open. Suppose I want to write 1 upon 2. How we can write? There is the option function. I'm not repeating these things because you already know these things. We already learn in Word. Suppose I want to write a 1 upon 2. I'm taking this kind of concept. I'm clicking over here. First, click one box right over here, one, and after go to the second box and write over here second. So this is called 1 upon 2 I want to write. I return a equation where going to the insert, there is a equation tab. Now the symbols, if suppose I want to any kind of symbol, I can write that. Okay. This is right now, I don't know why it's not visible. Maybe I'm not taking any kind of box. Let me created one box. Okay, going to the insert. Now it's visible, right? Let me take any kind of symbol. Suppose a copyright symbol. You can see I'm taken and just say insert. Okay, you can see the copyright symbol is there. So this is the way I can take a multiple kind of symbols. Okay, last one. Let me show you the last one, media group. Media group we are using for presenting. Okay, let me go to the. Let me check video is on or not. Yeah, it's available. Okay, let me go to the check new slide again. Going to the new slide, blank document. Okay, videos. Suppose I want to take any video. Let me take online. I don't know my online is working or not because my one is crack version. Sometime it's not working. Okay, it's working. Good. Suppose I'm going to the Chrome and checking one kind of video. This one, chill music. Okay, checking this. There is an option share, go share, and just say copy. Okay. Again, go back to your video and just say paste. So your video will be there and just say insert. It's take time to insert. Let me check why it's not insert. Couldn't recognize this link. Okay, let me check. My link maybe not correct. Maybe this video also too much big. There is any short video, short. Okay. Google Office Tool. Let me take this short video. Okay.
Hi
Wait.
everyone, welcome.
I'm going to down. There is a share option. Copy this. Going back again to my PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Let me show you again how I can done. Go to the video, online videos. It's take time to reload. Now paste your link, whatever you have. I'm pasting done.